Hey guys, this is Israel with STS Parts. You can visit our website at stsparts.us, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm going to show you the 5-in-1 machine today. We will be using glass with OCA already on them. You can either roll it or you can purchase these on our website as well. We sell them with OCA. You can also have a OCA laminator machine, which would work fine. We're gonna bond these glass with OCA to these LCDs. Okay, so the first step that we're gonna do, we're gonna use this mold, and basically this is only gonna be for us to know exactly where that LCD needs to go on that glass. So I'm just using our cleaner and a cloth. I'm just going to make sure that LCD is completely clean. There's nothing on it. Make sure your polarizer is not scratched. These are only LCDs that we use for these videos. But yeah, just make sure it's completely clean. There's no dust or anything like that. Once it is clean, get a glass with OCA on it, and I'm going to take that top layer off. Let's see. Once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and set it on this mold, and it's just enough for me to see that it's already glued on the right spot. I'm just going to push it out of the mold, and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to do a second one, so basically same deal. We're just going to lay it on that mold, and we're going to clean it very well. Make sure your LCD is completely clean, clear. Alright, so I'm going to take this glass with OCA previously on it, take that off. I'm going to lay it on this mold, just enough for me to know where that LCD needs to go on the glass. Push it just a little bit for it to glue on it. And this is the mold that we need for this machine. For this machine, you have a temperature control on it, and we're going to do 40 degrees there. It's already set. And it does have a vacuum built in it, or an air compressor on it. So basically the only thing you have to do is once that you hit that temperature that you want, we're going to open this and we're going to set this on top, in it. Make sure that it's the metal piece, then that foam, and then your screens. You don't need any special molds for it. Okay, and then we're going to close that. We're going to wait until we get to 40 degrees, and then we're just going to press this button right there. Okay, so let's just wait a few minutes. This machine is ready to ship in our website, and it is 110 volts, so you don't need to worry about converting any voltage from 220. We'll just wait now. So anything between 40 and 50 is great for this machine. Once you're in that range, you're good to go. Make sure that you click start, and you just have to wait. There's one more setting on the left side of the machine, but that's preset at 40, and that's how you need to leave that. It's 40 seconds. So now we just wait. Okay, so now we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and open this lid. We're going to pull that mold out. This machine really does a good job putting it together. As you can see, there's some bubbles still left, and on the right side it has an autoclave machine built in, and we'll be showing that in just one second. Alright, so this is the right side of that same machine. As you can see, there's an autoclave built in. It comes with the tools. It's got the controls. We have it set at 20 minutes. That's usually how much we would run an autoclave here if we use those. And you have the start and stop and the temperature. Temperature is set, same thing, between 40 and 50 is great. So we're going to go ahead and open that. And those screens that we just pulled out from the front, we're going to put here. You can fit in here, I would say maybe between 10 and 15. And we'll close it, make sure that everything is screwed in pretty good, pretty tight. Alright, once everything is pretty tight, we'll go ahead and start it. And now we'll just wait. Great, so it's been 20 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and open the machine up so we can get those screens out. Move those screws out of the way. And there they are. Now we'll be ready to frame them and install them in a customer's phone.